Finally, we have a vlog. You guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Compassion and I am a YouTuber based in Kaduna, Nigeria. So, I don't know if I mentioned, I started walking early this year, sometime in January, and I have totally been enjoying it. So anytime I'm walking, if a bike man sees me, they used to be like, Zoki hawon rege miki hanya, like as if I'm suffering and they are trying to help me. I'm like, Nachiboka not so how. But they'll always be saying, come climb, make I reduce road for you. That kind. When I didn't be fitting Naki, but this thing I'm doing doesn't fit me. Do you understand? Like, I'm not supposed to be trekking. But I beg, we move. So you guys, I am out today and walking. You guys, it's been a minute. Like, I've spent a week plus without walking, but I am out today and I am aiming to go up to 10,000 steps, hopefully. Before I stopped, I used to get up to 15,000, 17,000, some days 20,000. But since I am just coming back in, I want to get 10,000 for a start, and then we increase it as the day goes by. So let's go. I'll see you all later in the vlog. Ciao. You all, so I am back now. I am currently walking back home. So the place where I normally walk around, this is not my first time walking there. So I sort of know how many steps I have done even without checking my pedometer. So my pedometer is faulty. It's showing me that I have just about 4,000 steps. Meanwhile, coming out from my house to where I walk to takes me about 3,000 plus steps. Now, I have gone round that place twice and you are telling me 4,000 steps? Are you joking? Well, I already know what my step count is, so I know how much I have put in. So by the time I get home, I would have done about 10,000 plus steps, almost 11,000, maybe 10,800, 10,700 steps. Right? Yeah, so I just thought to check in that, and I'm going home now. I'm going to go and do a few things around the house and then have my bath and go out. I'm going out with Favor later today. You guys are going to be seeing Favor very soon. This is the first time she's going to be making an appearance on my channel. Yeah, and she has always been saying, you know what puts me for your channel, Abi? Well, finally, madam, you are on the channel. So I'm going out with her, and when I'm going out with her, the place where I'm going to get like a keke to go and meet her is almost around where I go to go and walk. So that's another like 3,000 steps. I'm going to walk there instead of taking a bike there. So I would have added another 3,000 steps, and then all the waka we will do. So before the end of the day, I should have accumulated about maybe 15,000 steps or more. If I'm coming back and I am not too tired, I would walk back again. But if I'm tired, I'll just take a bike. But at the end of today, I should be able to accumulate 15,000 steps. So I just thought to check that in. And by the way, I'm not just walking. I also do like a calorie deficit. Some days I do OMAD. On some days, I just count my calories and eat whenever I want to eat. Yeah, so I'm gonna see you all when I am out with Favor. I didn't put you for my vlog. Are you on Twitter? I almost know where you today. Say hi. Welcome to my channel. You're manifesting your future. And if I know that time when they talk about on the camera. Hi people. Say hi.
Hi.
See as I look like your house girl with my cap. You guys see favor, I beg. See favor. So we're out today.
My husband is in your
on my channel.
Yes, on my channel.
She's single like a Pringle, ready to mingle.
Of course.
You guys, so I've repaired my laptop. I forgot to update you all. And today, this is like 2 days later. So today we are out. Favor is going to go and make her hair. But before that, we're going to go and eat masa. Then she's going to go for a photo shoot. And I'm going to be doing her makeup. And of course, I am going to be carrying all along. So come with us as we go. Are you excited about your photo shoot?
Of course I am.
Let's go. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, spend the day with me. I will do them.
Where are you going to use your same bye?
Ooh. I'm gonna the spoon and oh, they don't put yaji for you because you don't talk. Thank you. Nice. You will use hand. Look, I show them the bush girl that you are. The look at video the mouth. Oh my god.
Just did it.
Demand
No.
you go know am. Me, I know am, but I no fit remember where I know am. Like saying in the secretary, I do something. I don't even fit remember. He died and embedded shelter. When I see a biscuit, yara about my yara. My wife get belly. Him can go to go buy her fish. He even buy wine. Where them go do use. Chill their chill. Favor don't finish her masa. See me, I still have 4. Favor. Wow. Today is the day the Lord has made, and we are finally doing Favor's photo shoots. Say hi. Say hi to my vlog. Good day, lights. Yeah,
Get one makeup shop where I see for here.
Hi, loves. I'm about to go out with people. Can't wait for you just for me. Show. Say hi to my people. Thank you. Say hi. What do you say? Don't worry, I'll give you moral support from a distance. Yeah. Hi, Mama. Yes, you're correct. Yeah.
I'm even gonna carry this with you know.
Hi, baby. Elisa, come. Come and take phone. Good job, Mama. Yeah, the same thing.
Just that they cropped it. This no, it's too much. It's too much. Be coming gradually.
Come up.
Gradually. No, like. Come it.
Raise your leg up some more. Cross your leg. The other one, bring it forward. Yeah.
Abby?
Yeah.
You're able to do that?
Yeah. Oh, I think your hand is supposed to go down a bit. No. Yeah. Sure you are.
My leg running.
My Lord and my God.
Alright. Give me that picture.
Hi, Mom. I should carry you. Come, let me carry you.
They might use it, or we shut it up. They want make it, some of them will use it for the taco. You don't like it, see, just stay my
Your audio to your controls. Tap the banner to learn more.
You're seeing more than what you. Mama. Come.
What's your distinction?
Oh, it is a YouTube. Come. Oh, I feel like I would love this. Guys, bye bye. Say bye to my vlog. Bye. And it's a wrap. So I decided to add some of the pictures we took, and I think the photographer did a really amazing job because these pictures came out looking really beautiful. Guys, today is Favor's birthday, so please leave her a comment in the comment section because I know she'll be there reading it. And if you got to this point of the video, I love you so much, and I do not even take this love for granted. Thank you for sticking here with me, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, loves.